Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to upload files to Google Drive. So firstly, you can open the your photo albums on the Android device. So from here I can upload a photo of my, so you can just click to share button on the left below. So from here you can find the just Google Drive and you will just click it at once. So here you can just rename your photo and I will just click to select the folder and just click to save and it will be uploaded. You can see, scroll down, it will be uploading one file on Google Drive. So it's complete and you will just go and open the Google Drive and I will just switch my account and I will just click to 24 June. This is the folder and this is my photo has been uploaded Google Drive easily. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.